If you are running out of Claude Pro usage, here are two ways to enable extra usage depending on where you are. The first way is to do it in Claude app. So click on your profile and open settings. Now simply navigate to usage section, and here you will see your current session, your limits, what percentage is used, daily limits, weekly limits, etc. And if you scroll down, you will see here the extra usage, and you can turn on extra usage to keep using Claude if you hit a limit. So enable it here, and also make sure to turn this on. And now this new information will appear. You can buy here extra usage, you can adjust limit here. Second way how you can do it, if you have the Claude Code installed in your terminal, open your terminal and type here Claude to activate your Claude Code, and then simply type here /extra usage and press enter. And now you can turn it on, press enter, and this is the same like in the app, but in the terminal you can navigate and go through all these options. So that's basically how you can do it. If you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.